Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sequatchie County of East Tennessee, central Hamilton County in East Tennessee, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:30 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Saudi Arabia, or 9 miles southeast of Denlap, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Saudi Daisy, Lakeside, Sail Creek, Flat Top Mountain, North Chickamauga Creek Gorge, Mowbray Mountain, Harrison Bay State Park, Middle Valley, Falling Water, and Shady Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.